Aloha everyone, welcome back to Honolulu. It's Ashley Murray, your favorite real estate agent. I'm here with another how-to video. This one is how to sell your home fast and for the most amount. So I'm going to tackle 3 subjects before I tackle the open house. First one is going to be cleaning. Second one, fixing. And third one, enhancing. So to go ahead and start with number 1, cleaning. I want you to go ahead and either find someone to, or you go ahead and scrub every nook and cranny. Clean out all of your clutter, organize your closets, remove all of your personal items. You're gonna wanna make it so that someone else can walk in and easily envision themselves or their family joining them to live at this beautiful new home. Now, the second topic I'm going to go over is fixing. So you're going to want to tackle all of the things that have been on that honey-do list. Any chips on drywall that you can go ahead and fix, go ahead and do that. Upgrading any kind of fixtures, you're going to want to do that. I would suggest that if you're also going to paint, then do something neutral. Something like a tan, gray, slate, mixed in with a little bit of blues. Those are always really safe and good colors to go with. The next thing that I would say to do is if you're able to upgrade your kitchen and bathroom. Those are the 2 main areas that people really find value in the home. It's also going to be where you're going to get most of the credits asked for if they're not upgraded. Little things like chips, paint, people can usually see past because they can do them themselves at a low cost. Those other things, you're gonna wanna go ahead and do it yourself, as it could be costly later in credits, and you wanna make sure you make the most, not give it away in credits. So another thing is curb appeal. Don't just look at the inside of your home, but also the outside of your home. As soon as someone is driving in, what do they see? If it's not something that you would find marketable, I would suggest cleaning as much as possible. Clean up the yard, clean up the garbage, any kind of stray weeds, any kind of rocks or pebbles that you can lay out so that it looks a little more desirable. Go ahead and do that. It's going to up the value so much more than if you didn't, trust me. Now, another thing. The next subject I'm going to tackle is enhancing the beauty of your home. So take away all of the bulky furniture so that you can really see the main aspects of the home, and make sure that each purpose of the room and the home is featured. Like if it's a home by the beach, make sure that you feature and make it feel a little bit beachy. If say that the room is a study or a library, or say maybe even a wet bar, make sure that you enhance those features as bonuses. So another thing is creating the focal points and highlighting those special features are another really good bulletproof points in your marketing. So if you do your own marketing or you have a real estate agent doing it for you, then those are going to be the bullet points that go out, say, on your postcard, the things that are in your MLS, the main points on your Zillow. Those are also going to be your keywords, and really great for making it more searchable on Google, Bing, Yahoo, a lot of those kind of websites, so that your home is easily found to buy. All right, so now the next topic is the open house. So an interesting fact is that when people smell cookies, it automatically reminds them of home. There's something in the brain that connects the smell of cookies to home, the familiarity. And when someone feels safe and familiar with something, they're typically more inclined to buy it, make it theirs, and feel more comfortable. So eliminate strong lingering odors. If you happen to have pets, I would suggest maybe even getting a pet treatment before the open house so that you can appeal to a wider variety of an audience, not only pet owners. Another thing that makes a home more marketable is bringing the outside in, say potted plants, live flowers, things of that nature. Another thing is to let all the natural light in, illuminate the home, especially those dark corners that can usually stray people away from buying a home. And it also helps to always have something baked, like I said, for the natural aroma of that sweet cookie or vanilla smell, or a candle will imitate the same smell. All right, so now you have my 1, 2, 3s to prepare to buy or sell your home for the most amount of money and for the fastest. And now you also have my how to prepare for an open house tips and tricks. If you have any more questions, please feel free to comment below. Let me know if you have any anything you're going through that I could maybe help or advise you on. If you are trying to sell your home, or you have any questions about buying a home or investing, please give me a ring at 808-722-0786. I would love to talk to you about it. This is my favorite subject, is real estate. And feel free to email me at Ashley, ASHLEY, at agentsofyourdreams.com. And feel free to check out the website where you can also get home valuations and consult directly with me at www.agentsofyourdreams.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you all soon. Aloha.